How many times do I pronounce the letter A when I say banana? Banana. Hi, I'm Thomas, and welcome back to our American English pronunciation series. Today, we're going to focus on one of the most important sounds in English, the schwa, or the sound, like in the word banana. The schwa is actually the most common vowel sound in English, and it's in almost every single sentence you say. Getting this sound right will make your English sound much more natural. Let's look at the schwa sound. This is the sound you hear in words like about, support, and pencil. When we say about, we don't pronounce the A. We don't say about. And the that's the schwa sound. It's a really short, weak, neutral vowel sound. It's the most relaxed sound in English. To make the schwa correctly, you just really need to relax your mouth. Your mouth should be in a neutral, relaxed position. Everything should be relaxed. Your jaw relaxed, tongue relaxed in the middle of your mouth. Let's practice together. Uh, uh, uh. Pretty easy, right? So here's something pretty interesting about the schwa sound. It can be spelled with any vowel letter. The schwa only appears in unstressed syllables, though. So we need to pay attention to which syllable is stressed. And if it's an unstressed syllable, it's likely to have a schwa. Let's look at a couple of examples together. Camera. You hear the schwa sound in that second syllable? Memory. We don't pronounce that O in the second syllable, the unstressed syllable, just memory. And that's the schwa. Doctor. The schwa's at the end. Daughter. The schwa is essential to pronounce correctly if you want to sound natural in English. It's a really important sound. If you practice, you'll get it right in no time. Let's get some practice. I'll say each one of these words, and you can repeat after me. Pay really close attention to where the schwa sound is. Sofa, family, problem, today, chocolate, potato, pizza, elephant. All right, great job. Just remember, the schwa is that short, weak, relaxed sound in those unstressed syllables. All right, now let's twist our tongues and try to say some really difficult sentences. Go ahead and listen and repeat each sentence after me. Vanilla chocolate animal crackers are a favorite. Do you hear all those schwas in that sentence? We'll practice some more. The camera caught a clever camel. The support team quickly fixed another problem. Memory Masters amaze audiences around the arena. These are some tricky sentences. Don't worry if you need to try them a couple of times before you get them perfect. All right, let's try a couple of more. A family of pandas enjoyed a vanilla picnic. Amanda forgot the banana for Anna. A problem about a pencil puzzled Pamela. Family members often forget the final detail. The doctor delivered a secret message about chocolate. All right, good job. Good job. Getting the hang of these sounds takes time and repetition. Here are some tips. Most importantly, record yourself. Use your phone to record your pronunciation and then listen back. This is one of the best ways to identify areas where you can improve. And practice every day, even just 5 or 10 minutes. Consistency builds muscle memory, like an athlete going to the gym. Thanks for watching. I really hope this helps your pronunciation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great English videos, and we'll see you next time.